Last year, more than 2.3 million credit cards were leaked into the dark web. These aren't chaotic, messy forums, run by amateurs. They're professional operations, optimized for volume, speed, and maximum exploitation. In today's video and for educational purposes only, we present to you 10 dark web credit card sites, how they operate, and what they have to offer. Remember, don't try this at home, school, work, not even in your weird uncle's basement, unless you want your door kicked in by guys who dress like Xbox controllers. So, here's a tour of these underground empires. Stay tuned. If you are new around here, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, so you do not miss any of our new videos. Also, feel free to follow us on social media, links in the description box down below. Number 1. Fenix Market. Fenix rose from the ashes of Hydra, after its takedown in 2022, targeting former Hydra vendors and carders, looking for a new base. It quickly became a new hub for stolen data, from credit card dumps, personal info to financial packages. It wasn't a comeback, it was a crime family reunion in a new Discord server. Imagine Etsy for morally flexible tech entrepreneurs, transactions in Bitcoin, verified vendors, and no refunds unless you snitch. They also offer verified card dumps, which in theory means these cards were used very recently and still have juice left. Basically Hydra walk, so Fenix could sprint with a machete in each hand. Number 2. Aurora Market. Aurora's a dark web mall for degenerates, started gaining traction after Monopoly Market pulled an exit scam, and vanished like your dad when he went to get the milk. It offers a bunch of listings, from PayPal logs to CVVs, and even SIM swapping guides, but it's the card section that stands out. Vendors compete like Division I athletes, undercutting each other with limited-time CVV sales, like it's Black Friday in hell. It supports both Tor and I2P, and it uses multisig and built-in wallet features to reduce scams. All in all, it's a multi-vendor marketplace active since 2022, gained a reputation for competitive prices and a growing user base. Number 3. Skyfraud Marketplace. Skyfraud is a long-standing Russian forum, where vendors openly advertise carding tools, dumps, and services. It's more of a marketplace forum hybrid. Most transactions happen in private via encrypted messaging apps, making it harder for law enforcement to track. Skyfraud is Reddit for cybercriminals, but, instead of karma points, you earn felony charges. Number 4. Ark Dark Shop. Ark Dark is like that weird gas station on the side of the highway, ugly, a bit shitty, but surprisingly well stocked. They specialize in region-targeted dumps, with Fullz packs focused on Europe and Latin America. This market provides dump information, track data, and cardholder details, suitable for online or physical cloning. Ark Dark is your middle-class CC market, not flashy, not broke, affordable dumps, country filters, like the Toyota Corolla of credit card sites. It's known for consistency. The site's dark theme and no-frills setup tell you all you need to know. It's here to do business, not charm you. Number 5. Biden Cash. Biden Cash hit the scene in 2022 like a drunken uncle at a family reunion, loud, messy, and leaking secrets. They made headlines by dropping over 2 million stolen cards, for free, as part of a promotional stunt. It built a cult following with its massive dumps and malware source data. From Fullz, bank logins, to debit card info, it was like Robin Hood, if Robin was clout chasing on Telegram. The site operated more like a promo campaign than a business. Still, Those free leaks were live and real, proving that sometimes the most dangerous price tag is no price at all. Number 6. Russian Market. Russian Market built its name on reliability, a quiet titan in the carding scene that never needed flashy banners or drama. Famous for its dirt cheap pricing, $5 could buy you a Fullz so real, even the bank wouldn't notice. Its interface isn't fancy, but everything works: fast search, smooth checkout, filters by country, bin, and even card issuer. The admins never said much, but their servers spoke fluent capitalism, from Russia with love, the kind that empties bank accounts not hearts. It's basically the Kremlin Craigslist for credit cards, with 24/7 uptime, zero morality, and bulk discounts for loyalty. Number 7. C-Store. C-Store is the 7-Eleven of dark web card shops: low prices, sketchy vibes, and always somehow open. They push bulk sales of low-limit cards, and specialize in quantity over quality. You won't find $20 Visa Platinums here, just a buffet of $300 limits that barely cover Uber Eats. Most vendors don't talk, they just dump and dip. It's fast food for on, cheap, dirty, and kind of addictive. Number 8. Trump's Dumps. Yes, this is a real market, it's not satire. Trump's Dumps sells only exclusive, elite card dumps, the kind that come with travel points and lawsuits. They brand like a meme page, but move like a serious operation. With invite-only access, you don't sign up, you get elected. The interface looks like a parody, but vendors list $10 limit cards like they're on Shark Tank. Honestly, it's less MAGA, and more Make America Greedy Again. Number 9. Inferno Market. Inferno is a carder's playground, built on the ashes of Empire Market, with fire-themed branding. The site layout looks like Diablo 2, but every treasure chest is someone's ruined credit score. It specializes in premium CVV dumps, Apple Pay tokens, and stolen business credit card data. Using Inferno is like walking into a burning building for loot, profitable, but your escape plan better be colder than 2018 Travis Scott. Number 10. Valid CC. Valid CC treated stolen cards like wine, aged just right, region-specific, and expensive if it's vintage. They offered tools to check balance before buying, which felt considerate in a sociopathic way. People came for the valid cards, stayed for the Fullz packs, with SSNs, DOBs, and more. Even though it got raided in 2021, but like your ex's burner account, clones keep showing up. Some are real, some are traps, it's a lottery, but if you don't get the jackpot then it's a one-way ticket to prison. But, the real players on the dark web don't just shop. They invest in sites that keep the cash flow coming. If you think you've got everything you need, think again. Click on this video to find out where the real money moves. These methods could change the game for you. Don't miss out.